Hello and welcome everybody. Here we're looking at our CNC machine with 16 automatic tool change system and a drill block. It's a 5x10 configuration. It's powered by a Cimtech controller, Cimtech servo drivers and motors, and also a Delta inverter. Show you right here. This is the brain of the operation. The machine comes with vacuum zones controlled by electronically from the controller here, especially configured to accommodate 4x8 sizes, 5x8 and 5x10 different configurations. It comes with a super heavy duty tool changer and also comes with a push arm for automatic unloading and also for cleaning the table. It comes with a greasing system, automatic greasing system, and also comes with some wheels on the back to facilitate the loading and unloading of materials. Comes with the connections for compressed air and vacuum pump here on the back. Heavy duty rails, heavy duty rack and pinions, and a fully enclosed heavy duty chain to keep the dust away from all the wires. These are ready for shipping and ready to put to work. So give us a call and we can help you with an estimate. Thank you.